What's up everybody? My name is Derek. I'm coming at you today with a review on the 2011 Honda CRZ. It's a gorgeous day, so if you don't mind, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button. I would appreciate it a lot. If you notice a little furry thing, don't worry, I don't got a hairy shoulder. That is my mic. So let's get into this review, okay? Let's not waste any more time. I would love to talk about the front of this car. Can we just appreciate how unique this car is? Like, they never made a model after it and there was never a model before it. So that's pretty much why I got this car. It's very unique. So let's start things off with this front grille. Look at it. Doesn't it just look like a big happy face? I love it, love it, love it. Another thing a lot of people like about this light, I had a lot of friends say to me, they love how there's like that blue bulb in there. Super nice. I added LED lights in there so it illuminates the roads amazingly at night. You also got a little bit of a fog light down there. It's okay. I haven't put LED lights in there yet, so I can't speak out of personal experience with it. But other than that, it's a really nice front end. You do have that classic Honda emblem. A lot of people are known for switching those out for the red ones that you would see on a Type R. I haven't done that yet. If you guys think I should do that, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video replacing it and showing you what it would look like with the red emblem. My main thing that's kind of turning me off is I don't know how I feel about a red emblem on a blue car, especially this color of blue. As you can see, this car, it's really short. It's like very short. There's actually only 2 seats in it. I'll show you guys that after. I'm sure a lot of you guys know too. But let's start this off with that front right here. I love how they added this. It just adds a little bit more depth to the hood. And I think it looks excellent. Sorry about the tires. I apologize. It's November in Canada. And November in Canada, you just don't know if it's going to snow today or tomorrow. Like today, it's gorgeous outside. Tomorrow, it could literally be snowing. So that's why you just gotta always be prepared with those. Going along the side, you do got your turn signals built into the mirrors right there. Another super beautiful thing with this car. Look at this line. It just swoops along the whole side of the car. A very beautiful design that they added, super elegant. Then you got these little door handles. Now, we're gonna talk about my favorite part about this car. My favorite part is the rear end of this car. Can we just appreciate how beautiful that is? It's so unique. A lot of people think it's ugly. Maybe that's why I like it. I like ugly niche cars. They're so interesting. You don't see them on the road. It's not a Civic. Again, you got that nice silver emblem. You got the CRZ in silver, and you got the hybrid. Something I really want to point out with this car, it's my biggest pet peeve with this car, and it's kind of why I left it dirty. I wanted to show you guys. It doesn't matter. When you clean this car, it will get dirty here instantly. And that is right here in this little crevices gets super dirty because all the water that runs off the back of the car just goes straight down there. And I don't know, it's my biggest pet peeve. It's not the end of the world. I obviously still love this car. I've actually had this car for around 20,000 kilometers or so. So I can definitely say it doesn't bug me that much. You also got down here that nice little gray accent diffuser with, there's an exhaust somewhere. Doesn't matter. This car is not fast. Working our way along here, you got these super nice triangle lights. I've seen some people put a dark tint over them. That is nice too. I like the OEM look of it. Over here, you got gas cap. This car's amazing on gas. I'll get more into that after, but absolutely amazing. I could drive maybe, I'm looking at like 600 kilometers with like $30 in gas. That's probably the biggest reason why I chose this car. But going along, something I didn't mention on the other side, but I really want to mention here. Look at the swoop. It's such a nice, elegant design. And then it just stops. It's really unique looking. I love it. I find a lot of other car people love this car as well. I feel like it's just something that's in the car community that we love hatchbacks because they're so unique. Something I forgot to bring up is I want to show you guys the hatch. Let's open this up. I'll show you how much room is in here. As you can see, you get plenty of room back here. That seat actually goes all the way down. It's just my chair is back a little bit because I'm a little bit taller. I got my computer here. I'm actually going to go edit this video as soon as I'm done making it. Plenty of room though. Plenty. You can fit anything you want back there. I even went to IKEA, bought a new desk, bought a whole bunch of stuff, fit back there easily. Let's work our way inside. I want to say right now, I'm a pretty tall person. I'm 6 feet tall. I fit in this car with so much extra room. It's ridiculous how much room, how big you can be and fit in this car. It's probably because there's no back seats. Let's push that back up. I got my pre-workout, my bottles and all that back there. Don't mind that. But see, this is not really a back seat. In the European markets, they made it a back seat, but North America, they're like, you know what, just cut it out. They're already too big of people. We don't need to make back seats for them. They're not going to use it. It's useless. Let's save the money. So they went with this. Look at that. Another thing I wanted to point out with this car, I take that back. The back was bad. This is my biggest pet peeve. With the 2011 models, you get these gray seats. They look amazing, but literally everything gets them dirty. Everything. I clean this seat all the time. It never stays clean, and it drives me absolutely through the wall because I like a clean car. I don't like a mess. Oh yeah, that's my biggest pet peeve with it. Over here though, you do got your little door panel that you can fit like coins. You can even fit your phone down there. You get your little side pocket down here on both sides. You also get it. You can throw a water bottle in here and it will fit perfectly fine. As you can see right now, I got tons of headroom. Amazing for all you bigger folks out there, and even the shorter people. You already know this car, if it's perfect for me, it'll be perfect for you. I'll show you my leg space too. Tons and tons of room. You have the nice new Honda steering wheel. It's really nice, very functional. I love the little silver accents that go around it. It's super pretty, you know? I'm pretty sure the new Honda Civic actually has this wheel too, which is a cool thing. This, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this would be the first car that had this newer steering wheel. This car also comes in a manual. I didn't get the manual just because it's my daily driver. I don't want the hassle of shifting gears throughout my daily commute or just driving around. Like, it's not a fast car, so I didn't feel the need to really get the manual. If you guys understand that, leave a comment below. Or if you guys would have got the manual, let me know also. So, let me show you how the infotainment system works. Got the key, let's go. The infotainment system. All right, boom, we're done. See, there's really not much to it. It's not my favorite thing, but at the same time, why I appreciate it is if it really was a 2011 infotainment system, it'd probably be pretty dated right now and pretty leggy. So I actually really appreciate this. I just plug in my auxiliary cord and I'm good. I'm not really someone that really cares about the infotainment system just because I just play my podcasts or audiobooks. It's pretty much all I do. The sound system is unreal in here if you are someone that likes to blast music a lot too. you'll be more than happy. Moving on to the gauge. The gauge in here is super nice, super futuristic. You got your RPMs, you got your speed. Over here, you got all the lights. It will tell you when something's wrong. Actually, no, over here is your modes. See, right now it's on normal. Go to sport, and then we got eco. I usually go on normal or sport just because I find eco, it holds the RPMs too low and it just doesn't pick up speed fast enough, which I don't really like. And then over here is where you got all your lights. It will actually give you an eco score at the end of the day as well, so you can see how good you drove. But as you can see right there, I got my kilometers. And then there's the eco guide. That's what will tell you your eco scored while you're driving. This car is, I can't lie, it is pretty futuristic for how old it is, but I think that was the time that they were in, is 2011, one of the first hybrid cars to hit the market for such an affordable price. I think they really wanted to make it that futuristic feel, and they did an excellent job. I think it aged very well. If you do too, let me know in the comments below. Something to take in, it doesn't fit the biggest water bottles. This one's not bad. I think it's like a 600 milliliter Yeti bottle. That fits in there fine. Got another hole there. You even got a little compartment right there. Pretty much, it fits a wallet or your phone if you don't want to touch your phone. Got your seat that collects all the dirt because it's gray. Terrible idea. You got your glove department. Let's get into the driving aspect of this video now. This is where this car really shines as well. It is super comfortable, as you are going to see. It's quiet. It's hybrid, so it turns off at red lights as long as you don't have the AC on past the first tick, which is a bonus because it saves you gas. Anyways, let's get into that review right now. So as we get into this driving review, I can truly say it is an amazing car. It's super smooth. I always have passengers that just fall asleep in the car because it's that smooth. It's quiet, it turns off at red lights. The gas mileage is unreal. It's honestly an all-around great car. If you don't need two seats, this car is perfect for you. And that's why I chose it. I think it's a great first car as well, since it's not that fast. You're only looking at 123 horsepower, which isn't much at all. It's a light car though, so it's fun to just throw around corners. It's a front wheel drive, so if you live in a colder temperature place like me, front wheel drive cars are excellent. And they will definitely do the job. You just got to get some good snow tires. Anyways though, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this review. If you have any comments or anything I skipped on, can you please message me in the comments below? And don't forget to like and subscribe. It means the world to me, and it helps the algorithm out, and it helps me grow. I want to start making a lot more car content for everyone out there. And I just want to do it in my way. There's so many other amazing content creators out there. I just want to throw my little twist onto it. Again, thank you for viewing this channel. Side note, as you can see, the car is turned off as we speak, which is so cool. Anyways, yes, thank you guys. I love you all. Peace out. I'm out.